Through constructing TMM magazine, I have learnt a lot about the technologies I have used. Firstly, I had to use programs such as Quark in order to create the layout for my contents page and double page spread. This involved me setting out how the composition of my magazine would be and required me to thoroughly plan with reference to other magazines, helping me learn to make the magazines more real, an advantage of the software. However, a disadvantage is that it lacked the creative capacity of Photoshop, which has meant that I couldn't improve on what I put in the layout very much, and meant I often had to redo parts of my contents page and double page spread because of it. Adobe Photoshop was another technology I used to create the magazine, particularly the front cover. I learnt how to use several filters, cropping and selection tools in order to create the lens reflection effect in the main cover image. I found that an advantage of Photoshop was that it made my magazines more of an authentic industry standard. However, a disadvantage is that the software was difficult to get to grips on and encouraged me too much to work more on editing the photos I used instead of making the images to the best of my ability. Overall, using Photoshop taught me how industry standard magazine front covers can be made. Using the internet, using blogging sites such as Posterous and Bubble, helping portfolio my work in order to see my progression and look back on my research. Software such as Cam Studio also taught me how to record tutorials of me working with software such as Quark and Photoshop for future references with working with my magazines. I also use technologies such as SLR cameras, which allowed me to take my images for the magazine in greater quality, and like Photoshop and Quark, made my magazine more professional and authentic, which in time would be more appealing to an audience.